rainy day. Pitter patter, pitter patter. Little Hedgehog woke to the sound of raindrops. Hooray, he cried happily. It's raining at last. I can wear my new raincoat, hat, and boots and try out the lovely umbrella. Little Hedgehog wiggled into the shiny new boots as quickly as he could. He ran outside and opened his umbrella with a pop. Pitter patter, pitter patter. The raindrops bounced all around him. This is great, Little Hedgehog laughed, spinning the umbrella around and around, splashing in the deepest puddle he could find. This is the room. There is room under the umbrella for me, came Mo's so small voice from nearby. I'm getting very wet out here. Goodness me, you are wet, Mo. Here, take an umbrella, said the little hedgehog. What are you doing out in the rain? My house is full of water, replied Mo sadly, and I'm looking for somewhere to dig a new home. I'll come and help you, Little Hedgehog offered. Thank you, said Mo, smiling. Mo snuggled under the umbrella and danced down the path in front of the little hedgehog. Then, all at once, a gust of wind turned the umbrella inside out. Little Hedgehog raced after the Mo as he was swept off the ground. See him? Help, cried the Mo. Little Hedgehog, help! I've got you, yelled the little hedgehog, holding on the Mo's feet. Little Hedgehog pulled with all his might. They wibbled and they wobbled, and then they both fell over. Bump! Are you all right, Mo? Asked the little hedgehog, picking himself up. Mo nodded. But it is a bit blowy today. Can we look for my new home tomorrow? Good idea, replied the little hedgehog. We'll go back to my house and try again in the morning. But just when they thought the wind had passed, a huge gust tossed them like autumn leaves high into the air. The umbrella fell in the river and splash, Little Hedge dropped safely into it. But Mo fell straight into the water. Help, he gasped and spluttered. Give me your paw, Mo, shouted Little Hedgehog. See him? Mo scrambled into the umbrella as he bobbed on its way down the river. Thank you, Little Hedgehog, he whispered, shivering. But then he sat up. I can hear someone shouting. It was Fox, waving from the bank. Over there, yelled Fox, pointing. Mouse and her family are trapped. The water is flooding the meadow. Can you rescue them? Come on, Mo, said the little hedgehog. Let's go. He'll pull 2 sticks from the river and with Mo's help paddled the umbrella boat across to the mice. The water was getting higher and higher. We're coming, called the little hedgehog as the frightened mice swung to and fro on the grass. Then, one by one, he and Mo lifted Mother Mouse and her babies gently into the umbrella. Twisting, turning on the swirling waters, Little Hedgehog and Mo paddled hard towards safety of the bank. Safe and sound, said Fox, helping them out. Let's go back to Badger's house to dry off. When they arrived, they found Badger very grumpy. You'd think there was plenty of room outside from the rain without it coming through my roof, he snapped, watching the water drip, drip, drip onto his floor. The little hedgehog had a wonderful idea. He opened his umbrella and pushed it through the roof so the umbrella caught all the drops. Splendid, cried Badger. 3 cheers for the little hedgehog. Hooray, hooray, hooray. And now let's have some cocoa. And warm and dry, the friends curled up by the fire and told Badger all about their rather rainy day. The end.